the 12-volt battery fuse holder, and we're gonna run an 8-gauge wire because this is smaller 500 watt amps.
So what we got down here, you just pull this out. You're gonna have to make a hole. So I made a hole a little bit bigger so I can put this plastic right there. We're gonna run the 8-gauge through here. That way it won't damage any wire, the insulator you should call it. We're gonna remove this plastic nuts, and we're probably gonna pry all this out using a flathead. There's a clip right here where you want to pry that out. Yeah. Happened is I bought this, if you're looking at it like this, you push this clip and it grabs. So I push this down there to the bottom, I grab and pull this wire out here, right there. So I got about 2 feet over because this wire is pretty long, so I don't need it that long in the back. Since my wire is up front, I'm gonna be just poke the wire and pull it. So what happened, I ran the wire back over here, put the seat down, and grab the wire from here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to push this in and hide it. You don't have to do all, you can take the seat out if you want, but that's a lot of work. And then lift this up so you can put the wire down. Just since it's a small wire, making sure there's no wire going in here. When you push that back in, it's going to short something, so make sure it's right that. So we're cleaning this bolt off really clean like this. So we got the wire. Can you pull the lever? Latch lever. So we're gonna ground this right there. As you can see earlier, we show you. You can do it right here. If you have a self-tapper screw, if not, just do it here. And then we're gonna put the amp in here. So I got everything hooked up. Got the ground. And then remote wire is blue right here. I'm gonna hook it up to the blue and white from the radio. And then the RCA jack, I'm just going to plug to the output from the radios. There's different radios got different output. You got subwoofer output, that's what you want to hook up. But if you don't have it, just hook up to what you have output. You could do right here, that's a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter you can do, but it's pretty hard right there. I don't want to break this. So use a 10 millimeter right here and it's easy. Much easier. Clip this. I ran the ground over. And then the 12 volt from the battery go to 12 and remote wire, the blue wire from the radio, and then the speaker positive and negative. And then the jack from the radio, the output from the radio go and input over here to the amp.